Good morning, urban farmers, and today I'm on the road. I'm going to go to my friend's house and we'll talk about the bees that he has in his backyard. Alright, so as you can see, I'm fully kitted out. Even got the tape on my hands just to make sure that they don't go in. This thing here is all zipped up, including that. I've got some boots on, a bit further down, got some boots on. So hopefully we won't have any bee stings today. All the very best.
This is mocha. Just put some wood in.
Okay, so you just got
Pine
the stuff
needles.
inside. Yep, pine needles in there.
Newspaper.
Let's have a look. Oh wow. Oh my. I don't think I've never experienced anything like this before. Is this one here beaching itself or is it dying?
No, just that.
What are the chances of them getting really pissed off and starting to attack?
We'll find out shortly, huh? Now we're gonna take one.
So is this the first time in how long since you've checked if there was honey there?
2 months.
2 months, okay. So is that how often you usually check, or is it just during summer?
During summer.
Oh, okay.
A bit aggressive this morning.
They're a bit aggressive this morning, did you say?
Yeah. Let's see how it...
So what's that contraption? So that just brings the frame out, does it?
Yep.
So how many hives can you have here in Melbourne?
You can have up to 5 hives.
5
Look
hives.
at that. That's all honey.
Oh, look at
Wow.
that beauty there. Oh my God. Fresh
Organic honey.
Fresh organic.
You should put that box here. See the next one? Oh my God, next one. Let's see.
So do you have some empty ones that you're going to be putting back in, or do you empty these ones and then just put back the same ones?
Empty. We're gonna put back in.
Okay, so these empty ones we're putting back in. Right. Okay. Yep. So do you ever take honey during winter, or is it just during summer?
Just during summer.
Just during summer. Okay.
Look at that.
Oh, that looks awesome. And how many liters of honey can you expect to have out of, how many hives do you have here? 4?
No, this is one. 2 hives.
Two hives, okay. And out of 2 hives, how many liters of honey do you reckon, or kilos of honey should I say?
Good year, 50 kilos.
Good year, 50 kilos. Is that for the whole summer or in one taking?
In whole summer, yeah.
In whole summer, yeah.
Maybe a bit more.
So 50 kilos is actually quite a lot.
Yeah. Oh my God.
That is magnificent.
Chock-a-block,
that.
man. Look at that. Oh man.
There's a lot there. Can I feel how heavy it is?
Just squeeze it, yeah.
This feels very, very heavy.
Like 2
I'd,
kilos.
I'd say 2-3 kilos at least. At least. It's quite warm in this clothes, isn't it? Still rather be warm than bitten, so quite happy. For some reason got a bloody cold. So what does that do? Does that just like calm them down, or?
Let's calm them down a bit.
Oh, another one.
Look at that. Oh,
That's
man.
awesome.
Wow.
That is awesome. Jeez, there's a lot there. It's hard to believe that just, you know, it doesn't really seem that like there's so many bees here either, like that they can produce so much honey. So do you leave this here as it is there until all the bees get off it, or do you just, how do you get all the bees off it? Oh, so you've got the brush and you just brush them off. Oh, okay. Oh, so you do that at the end, do you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at that.
Oh, that looks awesome.
It's 2.5 kilos minimum.
There's definitely a lot there.
5, 10, 20 kilos in this box, definitely.
Do you find a lot of dead bees on the floor?
No.
No?
Not that.
You can definitely smell the smoke. So is that it?
Yeah.
So what about these ones here? You don't touch those?
We're gonna open them.
Are we going to open them as well?
Two, 8. 8 rings,
At least 16 to 20 kilos, huh?
20 kilos. Yeah.
20 kilos of honey? Yeah. So you're taking the top one off. So what's in the bottom too? Is there anything there?
Just brood, larvae, bees. Honey is normally in top one. That's
So-
the honey.
So honey's in the top one, and then the below one is sort of like for their reproduction. Is that what
Yeah.
you would say?
Brood and larvae and young bees and that's a drone. That's a male bee. Look how big.
Yeah, he's a lot bigger than all the others.
And this one as well.
So what purpose does he serve?
Fertilizing the queen. And that's pretty much it. They're lazy. 60,000 bees in there.
Oh, really? So what's that?
Bit of water. Just to calm down a bit.
Oh my goodness. So you don't use that honey?
Yeah, honey.
Do you use it or not really?
Yeah. It's the same honey as the other one. Just be darker. Sugar. Keep going.
Oh my god, I don't know if you can hear that, but that is a lot of bees. So when they're so when it's closed, it doesn't look like there's too many of them outside, but when you open that up, there's certainly a lot of bees in there.
60,000.
60,000 bees, thereabouts. So do you usually only empty one at a time, or do you?
Normally I will put the empty one, yes.
You found one empty one, so you might put that in there. But it's got to calm the bees down first. So do you ever get stung? Yeah. Would you recommend anyone at home trying this?
It's up to the person individually. Why not? Oh, yeah, I'll show you something.
Oh, the small ones.
Small ones, see? They're maybe 5-6 days old. Flavi, they're little ones.
So do they come out as full grown bees, or do they come out?
They come out.
Oh, I saw those, yeah.
They're little tiny one. They're little eggs. Eggs here. Inside those 3.
The bees look like little worms when they first start. I never thought that was going to be. Yeah, they look like little worms. It's like the larvae where the flies come from. It's very, very similar.
Yeah, very small.
You can just see the buzzing. Bzzz. That is a lot of bees. And they're the ones that are just looking after the young and all that sort of stuff.
Yeah. And collecting honey as well.
Ah, collecting honey as well, right. Yep.
Now we're gonna put that box. Put this box
Back.
back.
So you know when we first opened it, there was this plate down there that was in there. What was the plate for?
I put some old honey in there. Just put it in. Some honey.
Oh, is that for them just to eat as food?
Yeah, like a leftover.
Oh, okay. So how long can honey last for?
That honey can last years.
Years.
What is it? It can last hundreds.
So that, my friends, is how we collect honey. There's a bit of processing involved, so I don't know if we get a chance to do that today, we'll do that today. If not, we'll leave the processing part of it to next time. So that's basically taking the honey off the what are they? Off the frames. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
So we'll see if we get a chance to do that today. Maybe. If not, we'll that'll be another video for another day. Well, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.